Good morning, trading world. It is February 24th, 2022, 8:26 a.m., and this is my pre-market outlook and technical analysis for day trading the SPY. The title for today's outlook: The Actual Bomb Dropped. And for those of you who have been hiding under a rock or don't know what I'm saying, yes, Russia officially invaded the Ukraine with airstrikes. So with that weighing on the market, or in addition to that bomb dropping, we have more news bombs today. The GDP, jobless claims, home sales, and the EIA petroleum status, with a few more minor reports that I just don't feel like mentioning right now. But coming into today's session, we will have an epic gap down, and most traders will want to jump on the short immediately. Don't. Never short in the hole, because it could blow up in your face to epic portions as well. You have to wait for a sizable bounce to short this. We are much closer to seeing a rally of 50 points than seeing us fall another 50 points. We could reach a low point today where we could get a rocket takeoff. And I mean a real rocket, not looking back for some time. So with that, I'm going to try to parse out some levels for today, or key levels for today, but the channels are really what matters today. Alright, here we are with the key levels of the day. Going and starting on the support side. The Jack support is going to be 410 to 409 area. The Queen support is going to be 408 to 402 area. And the King support is 397. On the resistance side, the Jack resistance is going to be 417 to 422. And then Queen's resistance is going to be 425 to 427. King's resistance is going to be 429 to 435. Keep in mind there will likely be some action at this 415 area as well. Now, the main thesis for today is bullish, closing above 421.95 with a projected high possible target of 429. The alternate thesis is bearish, closing below 421.95 with a projected low of 397. The current channel we are in is 416 all the way down to 397. The next channel down is 397 to 379. Now, I usually give scenarios or map the day type out. Today is different. The market is truly broken, so channels are the most important, and having a field of runs is what's going to help you the most. I'm going to bring something else up, but before I do that, I have to, it's not a complete scenario. This is not backed by probability, but I want to give you, to some degree, what to look out for. Because like I said, most people's instincts are going to tell them to jump in short at the opening. And that is a big no-no. Because this thing could blow up in your face and run 15 points easily. So, what we're looking for. I don't recommend getting long here, but if you do, you better be very fast. But coming into the open, we could see some type of rally back. It could end here. It could get back up to here. But that's where I would recommend the short, because you're asking to get your account blown out if you short in the hole. So that's basically the biggest thing that I can give you to look forward to today, because again, the market is broken. This news, there is no telling what we are going to do because the market is angry. Now, I've given you the key levels, but I'm going to show you one more thing. All right. I usually have these different sets. These are basically the channels that I have marked off and where we are. So a key thing to look for resistance on the short is going to be this 416 area. If we can get back up here, that may be a decent place for that retracement to look to get short. But if not there, we're going to be looking back up here toward the middle of the channel. And if I'm not mistaken, the chart that has the power right now is the weekly chart. But we're going to look at this 418 area, 418 area where it could be somewhere to possibly get short. But that's where the second most likely place is this bounce is going to take us up to that 418 area and possibly 422. But that's a big range for that jack resistance. And because the market is broken, it's hard to pinpoint or narrow down the range. But this is the area to look at as far as that jack resistance area to get short. As always, please know your risk. If you are not sure or unsure of anything, today is not today. It's not the day to kind of frolic out and just start putting on positions, because things will move very crazy. So again, in the back of my mind, we haven't seen a real ripping rally yet. So this to me opens that door up where we could see one possibly later today, going into tomorrow, or tomorrow. But it's coming. With that, always wishing you a successful day of trading. Hope this helps. Have a great day.